Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be looking at the Utkarsh Small Finance Bank IPO details. Right, so we have seen this bank has gone for the IPO. So I'll be giving some of the information related to this bank about the financial statement, everything. So this will help you to pick up the stocks. Whether if you are interested in looking this type of stocks, I will definitely recommend these stocks. But going further, before going into picking these stocks, definitely you have to look at the financials. So let's get started. Yeah, Utkarsh Small Finance Bank has its headquarters in Varanasi, and the bank has a presence in 18 states and union territories. So that is also one of the advantage of this bank, as it has close to 18 states. Banks has been located in 18 state and union territories, and the network of branches is close to 528 branches and over 8,700 employees. So that also gives an advantage about to pick up this stocks as a one of an investment. And it has incorporated in 2016, and the managing director of Utkarsh Small Finance Bank is Mr. Govind Singh. See, when we are looking at the strength of the Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, it has stated that it is the second fastest AUM growth between 2019 and 2022, over 5,000 crores. So the asset under management for this bank from this years is close to 2000, from 2019 to 22 is 5,000 crores. So that is pretty good for these banks. And the total deposit, when we see the statistics here, is 7,505 crores in March 31st, 2021 to 10,744 crores in March 31st, 2022. So you can find out that there is a steady increase in the total number of deposits. So that shows that the strength, one of the strength of the Utkarsh Bank, and definitely people are trying to invest, and the bank also have the RBI regulations, following the RBI regulations. So definitely this bank is going to bring more of profit in the future years. And we look at the branches, you can see that almost close to 18 states and union territory it has branches. So definitely the company has gone for an IPO, maybe to bring more branches in across all the states in India. And it has close to 500 to 28 network branches, and that is also one of the strength of the Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. So these are some of the reasons that you may or may not, or it's about your wish whether you have to pick up these stocks. But I definitely recommend these stocks because the valuations are good, and the stocks which is being listed during the IPO time was in an affordable rate. So let's get move into the other details. So here you can see with Utkarsh Small Finance Bank's details both listed in Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. So as I have already informed earlier that the issue price was just 25 rupees. So that is one of the good reasons that you should have pick up these stocks, where the price starting is with 25 rupees, and the listing price when the IPO was listed with 25, but immediately when it was got listed, the price took a steady increase to 38 rupees on the listing day itself. So it shows a 52 percentage increase with rupees 13 with the listing gain. So that is a pretty good momentum which has created in the stock market. And currently when you look at the current price, maybe just another, it's going to be next 2 months, right? With a short period of time it has reached rupees 50 to 50.75 rupees, and the highest price it has reached is 56.30. So with this itself, with this statistic itself, we can know that these stocks may go more than 56, or it will go to 60 or 70 in the near future. So this is the details which is as of on 5th August 2023. So let's look at the other strong points of Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. Yeah, when we look at the revenue, see, look at the revenue over here. As on 2021, you can see 1,706 crores, and when we see into 2022, the revenue has been increased to 2,034 crores. So definitely there is a steady increase, and the trust for this bank has been created among the customers in India. And when we see the current revenue here, definitely in 2023 the revenue has been increasing, steadily increasing to 2,008.04 crores, and so that is also one of the strongest thing that the banks is showing, or the trust that the customers is showing on the Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. So definitely this bank is going to create a good revolution, and maybe competing with the other small finance bank as well. So let's move into the next slide. Yeah, when we look at the total assets over here, even the total assets have been grown drastically well. In 2021, it was having 12,138 crores, and in 2022, it has crossed 15,000 crores of assets. So that is also a pretty good strong points for the Utkarsh Bank. And in 2023, it has crossed close to 20,000 crores. So even the asset under management, or the total assets of this bank, is close to 20,000 crores. Moving into the next slide. Yeah, when we are looking at the profit side, even the profit here also looks very pretty good. In 2021 it was 112 crores, in 2022 it was 61.46 crores. So there is a small dip in 2022, but in 2023 the profit was booked close to 405 crores. So when we look into the statistics, there is a steady increase in the profit. So definitely the bank is hopefully is doing very well, and we'll be seeing that much more momentum in buying of shares of these stocks will be happening in the coming days. Yeah, when we also look at the shareholding pattern, and see, the promoter is holding close to 69.28 percentage of the shares. So that is also one of the advantage of the shareholding pattern, where 70 percentage is close with the promoters. And when we look at the FII percentage of investment, it is close to 3 percentage. So you know, after the listing, when we see the statistics, FII started investing, and domestic investors are also showing trust in this bank. They have also holding close to 12.71 percentage. And when we see the other companies like Bharati AXA Life Insurance also hold close to 2.15 percentage of their stake in this bank. And along with that, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company, one of the top private sector insurance companies, also holding 1.17 percentage of stake in the Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. So that shows the credibility of the bank, that the other insurance companies and other the foreign institutional investors are also has invested. And when we look at the public holding, it is close to 15 percentage. So these are some of the reasons that the stock is will be doing pretty good in future, and these stocks definitely will in a short period of time make cross to 60 or 65. So I hope this information has created an good information for you, which will help you to pick up these stocks into your shareholding pattern. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to get more videos on business, current affairs, and also in terms of the stocks details which I have shown. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to get more videos. Thank you.